Hello, I'm Gav and welcome to my show. Tonight I'm showing the finished Friends Apartments Lego set. Isn't this amazing? It took us about 5 nights to do it. We did it Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 5 nights, about 2.5 hours a night. A lot of fun, had a ball doing it, finished it last night, and here it is. Now, I'm going to try not to say the word iconic too much because everything about this set is iconic. So much about it, so let's get that word out of the way. It's iconic. So look at this. It's huge. There's 2,048 pieces, thank you, producer. 2,048 pieces in this set. I'm just going to read a smidge out of the book while producer pans through the apartment. Chandler and Joey's apartment. Compared with the girls' apartment across the hall, Chandler and Joey's apartment is smaller, messier, and the perfect living space for the two young bachelors living in New York's Manhattan. Though all the main characters of the show live in the apartment at some point, all the fixtures and fittings here are from the classic Chandler and Joey period. Now, actually, will I do the characters? The characters, with their costumes, what they're dressed in, we've got Chandler. He's dressed in the one with the cat, where Chandler doesn't turn and slide. We'll probably show a clip of that.
Wow, that ripped. That ripped real nice.
How many times do I have to tell you? You turn and slide. You know, turn and slide.
No, you don't turn and slide. You throw it out.
And Joey Tribbiani is the one where no one's ready. Joey puts on all of Chandler's clothes and he's got layers of clothing on.
Okay, buddy boy, here it is. You hide my clothes, I'm wearing everything you own.
Oh my God! That is so not the opposite of taking somebody's underwear.
Look at me, I'm Chandler. Could I be wearing any more clothes? Maybe if I wasn't going commando. Yeah. Whew. I'll tell you, it's hot with all this stuff on. I better not do any, I don't know, lunges.
And he's sitting in the canoe where the episode where Joey's trying to sell the big giant TV unit and he ends up getting locked in it and the guy pinches all their stuff and he ends up with a canoe to sit in.
Wait right there. Oh, no, I'm paddling away.
From that iconic, oh, I said it again. We've got the awesome reclining chairs. Look at that. They recline. Watching the great TV in the cabinet. The doors leading into the bedrooms. And of course the studio lights, because it is a studio set. And leading up to the back here, you've got Joey's pizza boxes and a newspaper, and the yellow lounge and the dog from when in the episode, well, when he got the job as Dr. Drake Ramore in Days of Our Lives, and then he got written out and he ended up moving back to Chandler's with the lounge suite and the giant dog. And there's also the chicken and the duck that they had, the foosball table, and Chandler's ticket to Yemen, and the little kitchen setup. And of course we've got Phoebe's hideous artwork, Glennis. And there was also another one, Glennis. Wasn't it? Glennis and Gladys? No, yeah, Glennis and Gladys. That's Gladys? Yeah. So that's pretty much the boys' apartment. And then we have the hallway in the middle. And it's got Janice. We all know I love Janice. The small space between the two apartments and the location for the famous scene where Chandler and Rachel fight over a dropped piece of cheesecake and eat it off the floor with Joey joining in. And that's the great scene there. That's the cheesecake.
Stick to your side.
Come on now.
All right, what are we having?
And that's the Janice character, which I desperately wanted for my Central Perk set, but you can get it with this set. Did you get Janice with the keyrings? No. No, because when my producer and her husband brought this set last week, they also got a free set of the 6 Friends keyrings. And then going into the girls' apartment, to Monica and Rachel's apartment. Located in New York's Greenwich Village and originally Ross and Monica's grandmother's apartment, Monica and Rachel's living room and open-plan kitchen is an eclectic mix of bold colours and cluttered furniture, a stark contrast to the freakishly neat nature of Monica herself. Remember the Monica clean? So in here we've got Monica. And she's in the one with all the candy. Monica's makes candy for the neighbours. That was a Christmas episode.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, guys, the candy is coming. I just need another 15 minutes for the chocolate to cool.
All right, everybody, just be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Pipe down. What's the matter with you people? This woman was trying to do a nice thing for you. I'll bet that not one of you can tell me her name. Am I right?
Candy lady?
You're not candy lady.
And she's got the whisk. And then you've got Phoebe, and she's dressed in the one where Phoebe runs. It's a funny episode. So you laugh just thinking about it.
Come on, let's start running. Let's go!
Phoebe is living with Rachel. And Rachel Green, she's in the one where the monkey gets away. Rachel loses a monkey.
What? Marcel, are you playing with Monica's shoes? You know you're not supposed to play. Whoa. Whoa. Marcel, did you poo in the shoe?
Sorry, Barry. Little engagement gift. Sure you didn't register for that?
And Ross Geller, the one with all the resolutions. Ross shows off his leather pants. Now, I think I have to say, Ross's leather pants scene in the bathroom, I think is my favourite Friends scene of all time. I think that's the one.
I see lotion. I have lotion. Will that work?
Yeah, sure. Throw some of that on there.
Hold on.
It's hysterical. And now, in this apartment, This is awesome. It's a great size. Over here, well, we've got the bedrooms, Rachel and Monica's bedroom. We've got the swivel television with that French artwork on the back wall.
Oh, I see you moved the green ottoman. How did that happen?
We've got the giant turkey on the table with the Thanksgiving episode where Monica puts it on her head and dances.
But this will work.
And we've got, now if you're wondering what this is Phoebe's dollhouse. Monica gets a great, big, expensive, beautiful, left to her, Victorian dollhouse, and she's very proud of it. And she won't let Phoebe play with it. So Phoebe makes her own, and it's beautiful, and everyone loves that more, and it accidentally gets burnt down. So there are flames on the top.
Oh, fire! There's a fire! Fire!
And of course, leading into the bathroom. And the back area here, and the little lamps on the wall, with the desk and table, and the great windows, which are slanted in. They actually move like that, but that's just in the design. With the curtains. And then if we swivel around, we'll show you the balcony, where they do a lot of scenes. And we've got Pascal. Is that his name? What's his name? What's his name?
Paolo.
Paolo. One of Rachel's boyfriend's cats, Paolo. That's it.
Top of the world looking down on creation and
With the poking stick. Is that what it's called? Yeah.
Poking device.
The poking device. That's from an episode as well.
Thread the needle, thread the needle.
He's alive! He's alive! And yet we're still poking him.
And of course it's got the lighting in the front. And again, you could extend this. You could put on a bathroom and the bedrooms on either side if you wanted to, but I probably wouldn't do that. But I'll eventually be getting this set, but this is producer and her husbands who have kindly let me show it. And I love it. It just needs a little bit of space. It'd fit on a little shelf nicely, but they've also got the central perk, so it's going to be about this long. So I think it's going to be in your dining table for a while, isn't it? Middle of your dining table. So that's it. The amazing Friends Lego apartment set. Very happy with that. I'm thinking now I might have to get the Home Alone house, which I believe is coming out for Christmas. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, the Home Alone house I'm very much interested in, so I might have to get that and show you when it gets closer to the end of the year. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you and good night.